You can achieve DSLR-like quality for your videos without using DSLRs and saving thousands of dollars using the two cameras I'm going to recommend to you in this video. They are webcams. Before you leave the video, don't write off what I'm telling you. I will show you a demo of footage in my room and also footage on a green screen, and you be the judge. People compliment me all the time on how tight my green screen is or what have you. This is a webcam I'm looking at right now, and the quality exceeds 90% of the chroma keys out there where people are using DSLRs. It's all about using proper lighting, having the proper accessories, and not wasting your money on super high-end equipment that you're not using properly. Let's go. A lot of you compliment me on my tightness of my green screen or what have you. This is it. This is my Logitech Brio in 1080p 30 FPS. All I've done is run it through OBS, which is a free software, and I've added the default sharpening filter as well as the default chroma key filter. I've got my two newer lights on either side going full blast, blasting that green screen with beautiful, beautiful side lighting, and I've got my desktop lamp in front of me that is just illuminating my face so that my face, the foreground essentially, is brighter than the background, which is the green screen behind me. As you can see, this chroma key is super tight. There's no post-editing here at all. I'm just recording in OBS. No post-processing whatsoever. All of this is in OBS live. This is the quality that the Logitech Brio can bring you. It is better than 90% of DSLR attempts to do green screens in their bedroom. This is it. It's great for streaming. It's great for recording. It's just an airtight chroma key. Let me switch over to the C920 to show you the difference. You'll see the difference here. So this is the C920. This is somewhat of a difference, right? I had to crank up the similarity on OBS for this chroma key, but as you can see, this key is very tight, and it looks pretty good, right? This is a webcam. This is what a lot of people write off as a piece of garbage camera. It is not garbage. It is a quality camera for the money. Technology has gone beyond the need for expensive multi-thousand-dollar cameras to give you a high-quality image for YouTube videos, for live streams, for Mixer, for everything. This is a Logitech C920, no post-processing, no funny business, default sharpening filter, default chroma key, and I cranked up the similarity a little bit. Let me turn to the side. You can see the kind of weaknesses on a green screen when you look at somebody's blonde hair. So look back here to see the tightness of the green screen. Look at the top of my hair. You see a little fuzziness there, and you see how there's a bit of a dropout in the color of my face. Here's the 920. As you can see, I have color. I look a bit more natural. The chroma key is a little bit tighter, and the angle is a little bit wider because of that glass lens and that new modern wider angle lens. This is the Brio. This is the Logitech 920. This is the Brio. This is the Logitech 920. Both of them look tight. They look tight. I'm sorry, but you DSLR kids out there, I'm not hating on DSLRs. What I'm saying is that for the money, these webcams are going to give you a way bigger bang for your buck. You be the judge. What do you think? Does this look tight to you? Does this look like a cheap webcam quality to you? I just have basic lighting here and a basic Elgato green screen behind me. Looks pretty good, right? Brio? C920. Right now, you're looking at the Logitech Brio 4K webcam in 1080p 30 FPS with full color range. And the only filter I'm using right now is the default OBS sharpening filter, no post-processing. This is just the raw recording out of OBS. I have two side lights, the two newer lights that I'm going to tell you about in my gear guide, and my frontal light is that LED desk lamp that I told you about. It makes a huge impact on the quality of your visuals and of your on-camera performance. As you can see, the quality you're seeing right now on camera exceeds 80% of the DSLR cameras you see out there because they don't know how to do proper lighting. You can turn this desk lamp off. Notice the impact that that makes. I only have my side lighting and my natural backlighting in my room. You just crank this thing up, and as you can see, I look natural, I look well lit, I look clear, and you can punch in this shot if you want in post-processing. You have a lot of headroom in terms of the light. Notice how I get a little bit washed out there. You've got a lot more headroom, and you could crank it up a bit more if you wanted to. The Logitech webcam right now is on auto settings. This is the way it looks naturally, and I think it looks really solid. Now I'm going to switch over to the Logitech 920. the original OG webcam. There we go. There it is right there. This is the OG webcam I started YouTube with. As you can see, the shot is punched in a lot closer. It doesn't have that wide angle lens like the Logitech Brio does, so you're going to get a tighter shot. Or you can get the webcam further back. So if you have that gooseneck arm that I was telling you about, the flexible mount arm, you can move this camera back or move it into any position that you'd like. But as you can see, the quality of this recording right here, no funny business, there's zero post-processing, with the exception of a default sharpening filter in OBS. I look better than 70% of the DSLR cams you see on YouTube for a rock bottom price. This is 1080p, 30 FPS. This is the Logitech C920. Don't believe the hype about DSLRs. Don't believe that webcams can't be quality. If you have the right lighting, then you can have a quality looking visual that you can deliver to your audience if you handle that lighting properly. So invest in the lighting in addition to these webcams. I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference. Here's me turning off that desk lamp I recommend. As you can see, you can't see as much detail in my face, but I still look pretty decent with the two side lights, the newer side lights that give me ambient light, and I'm well lit in my backlighting in my room as well. Almost everybody out there is going to have like a lamp in their room for the ceiling. That's cool. Just turn that on. It serves as natural backlighting. You want to have two lights on your sides giving you ambient light, and you want to have at least one decent frontal light. And as you can see, this frontal light just makes me crystal clear and makes me the center of focus. Cool. So let's quickly switch between these cams really quick so you can see the difference between these two webcams. This is the Logitech Brio webcam. As you can see, it's a way wider shot. It's a glass lens. It is a much more modern technology, and the quality and the detail is much better. Take a look at the side of my head and look at my hair and my beard if you want to see the detail on this in comparison to the other one. And let's switch to the 920. 920 Brio. 920 Brio. One more time. This is the Brio. This is the 920. You are going to be hard pressed to find any webcams that look better than these. And with proper lighting, most DSLRs on YouTube aren't being misused. People don't know how to use it. They just think they can set up a DSLR in front of them with some half-ass lighting and look good. I'm sorry, but if you have this budget lighting, I'm telling you, and you get the settings just right and you get your positioning just right, you're going to look amazing on YouTube and exceed the competition for thousands less than others will recommend. Before you turn the video off, let me just show you what accessories and what equipment I'm using to achieve the level of quality that you're seeing right here. By the way, if you spent time tweaking in your space and really focusing on it, you could achieve an even higher level of quality than I am right now using this equipment. I created a free resource for you guys to check out. It is my Ultimate Creator Gear Guide. There's a link in the description below. It's absolutely free. It's constantly being updated by me so that you can check out all of these different accessories. But you be the judge. You saw the demos a moment ago. You know, $50 for this webcam. The Logitech C920. You saw the quality that I brought to the table. It's better than 80% of the DSLR footage you see out there. It is a classic camera for YouTube. You cannot beat the $49.99 value that this thing brings to the table. It's just a fantastic, wonderful essential for any YouTuber. I do not recommend that YouTubers invest in DSLRs right out the gate, multi-$1,000 cameras, even multi-$100 cameras if you're getting started. You can use this wonderful webcam with this swivel mount, and what the swivel mount allows you to do is reposition the camera in the most flattering angle possible so you can get it off of your monitor and you get it where you want it to be. You can do unboxing videos with it on a swivel mount. You can move it around. You can do interviews and discussions. You can do a second cam where you can look to a second look. This accessory is absolutely worth it. It's only $20. This is not expensive stuff, but the quality you're getting from it, because technology has advanced, is unbelievably good. And here's that desk lamp I was telling you about. Don't laugh. It is a desk lamp, but it's a desk lamp with a high quality color, temperature, and intensity adjustment 3-point swivel lamp. This is a front lighting instrument essentially for your desk. You pop this over your monitors. I've got it up there on top of above my monitors right now, pointed right at my face. This is the difference that this frontal lighting makes. Here's what I look like without it. Just the side lights. Here's what I look like with the frontal lighting. Is it worth the money to you? Did I get $59.99 worth of quality value with this lamp? You be the judge. Without, with. I think it does a fantastic job. I haven't seen a more cost-effective solution than this lamp anywhere, and that's why I put this in my Essentials Gear kit. There's a link below. Click the links, buy the stuff. This whole kit right here is under $200. In fact, this entire kit, let's add it up, it is $135. It's really good stuff. If you want to do more advanced and use the Logitech Brio cam like I'm using right now, the quality on it is better. It's got a wider angle lens. It's got a glass lens. It is capable of going up to 4K if you choose to do so. This is the best webcam on the planet. It's only $158. It's the one I use in all of my videos. I wouldn't dare buy a DSLR right now if I can do stationary production with this camera. The quality on this cam is just unbelievable for the money. Can you get better quality with a DSLR? Yes. Can you get great quality for way less? You be the judge. You're watching the video, you're seeing the footage. Also, there's a flex mount for this thing too. Don't get stuck on the top of your monitor. Buy the mount. It's only $20. Same idea. Mount it to your table. Get that webcam exactly where you want it to be. Super great accessory. And then here is the 2-point lighting I was talking about a moment ago. This is the best value in lighting on the entire planet. These are 480 LED super bright lights. It comes with the stand. It comes with both lighting instruments. They swivel and they pivot. You saw me use it in both scenarios, green screen and direct to camera. Also, they have battery packs. They have charger packs that come with them and carrying bags. 2 of them for $150. You get airtight green screens with this. You get airtight lighting for any scenario with these 2 lights. It is an insane value for the money, this lighting. It's unbelievably good. I'm serious. It makes me look rock solid with this lighting and with a freaking webcam. These 2 lighting instruments are absolutely valuable. You can change the color temperature on them as well, between white and yellow, which is really, really good. And I mean, you be the judge. How tight is this green screen to you? I'm using default settings in OBS. Come on. And if you want to know the green screen that I'm using, it's the one I will recommend to the ends of the earth. It is this Elgato green screen right here. It's $150. I got it popped up right behind me. I'm shining those 2 newer LED lights right on it, and I've got my face cam here with the frontal light, the desk light. That's it. That's all that's going on here. And this is the level of quality you can achieve. You be the judge. Is it worth the money? You tell me, is this worth the money? $164, $20, and $150. All right, you're under $450 here with this kit. Are you going to get the level of quality that you're looking for? You tell me. You could spend a couple thousand on a camera. You could blow it out with way better lighting. Are you really going to get the quality increase for your money? That's up to you. I don't think you will. My name is Andrew Wall. I hope you found this information useful. There's a link below to the gear kit. I'm recommending this gear because I've used it to produce thousands of videos myself, to grow channels to over 1 million subscribers. I've grown the #1 gaming network on YouTube, and I've tested all kinds of equipment, and I've had people sell me on all kinds of expensive stuff. And the bottom line is, technology has progressed to a point where you can save money and get unbelievably good quality for your buck. Link below, click them, and if you buy anything, it helps support my channel, helps support me, create more content like this that's absolutely free on YouTube. Cool? Buy the stuff, increase your quality, get more viewer retention. It's that simple.